Come test drive the 2013 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.